welcome back to Ukulele with Laurie. For this video, we're going to be doing another Christmas song. We're going to be doing Silent Night, which was the second most voted on song that was posted in my group, Ukulele with Laurie on Facebook, that you can find the link to in the top of my YouTube profile, or by going to facebook.com/groups/ukulele with Laurie. Let's go ahead and tune our ukes real quick, top to bottom. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and talk about the chords that are in Silent Night. We have a C, which is the 3rd fret of the bottom string. We have a G, the 2nd fret of the bottom string, the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. We have an F, the 1st fret of the 3rd string, and the 2nd fret of the 1st string. We've got a G7, the 2nd fret of the bottom string, the 1st fret of the 3rd string, and the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. And that appears to be it for our chords. So let's go ahead and start working on this piece. So for most of our songs, we do a typical ukulele strum, but for a lot of these really tender songs, I like to just do one simple strum. So now you can feel free to strum however you want, but for this video, we're just going to keep it real simple. So let's go ahead and start Silent Night, and we're starting on a C chord. Silent night, holy night. So on all, we're going to switch to a G. All is calm. So the next all, we're going to go back to a C. All is bright, round. So on round, we're going to move to an F. Round yon virgin birth. So on mother, we're going to go back to our C. Mother and child. Home. On holy, we're going to move to our F. Holy infant so tend. So on tender, we're going to go to C. Tender and mild. Sleep. On sleep, we're going to go to G7. Sleep in heavenly peace. So on peace, we're going to go to C. Peace. Sleep in heaven. On heavenly, we're going to go to G7. Heavenly peace. And on peace, we're going to go back to C. It's a real easy song with some pretty basic chords. Feel free to rewind as many times as you need to go through the tutorial, but now we're going to try to sing through this song together at a nice slow pace, starting on a C. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother. hope that this can help to brighten up your Christmas season, to play for your friends and family, or your primary, or what have you. I hope you'll have a very Merry Christmas, a happy holiday, whatever it is you celebrate. I hope that you are enjoying it, and I will see you again